Hello everyone and assalamualaikum. Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. This is our presentations in week 8 entitled or our topic is all about the pressure head and manometer. In this subject or course, the fluid mechanisms um, uh, with Sabdan Aliga, we will discuss it and explain it. How can we get the pressure of liquids through using a manometer or U tube? But on this video, I only show you the um, explanations about manometers. And Miss Sabdan should what is this explain or discuss the pressure head in separate video. Okay, let us start with the definitions of manometer. A manometer is a tube usually been in the form of U, containing a liquid on known specific gravity, the surface of which moves um, proportionally to change a pressure, and it is used to measure a pressure. Meaning to say, we are focusing on the um, measurements or measuring the pressure of liquid. Um, but before that, before we give the examples of how we measure the pressure of the liquid, is we have here the three types of manometer. First, we have the open type of manometer. An open type of manometer has an atmospheric pressures or atmospheric surface and one leg, and it is capable of measuring the gauge pressure. Naka-focus lang ito siya sa pag-measure ng gauge pressure ng liquid. Okay. We have also the differential type of manometer. Um, this type of manometers is without an atmospheric surface, and it is capable measuring only difference in pressures. Meaning to say, unlike the open type of manometers is mayroon siyang atmospheric surface, ito naman is wala siyang atmospheric surface, which is ang gina-measure niya yung difference pressures both side. Okay. We have also here the pangatlo, the biometer. The biometer is simply form of open manometer, meaning it is a type of open manometer or para lang siyang open manometer. It is a tube, uh, what is this? A tape in a wall of a container or conduit for the purpose of measuring pressure. The liquid in the container or conduit rise in the tube to form a free surface. Meaning to say is yung open manometer is naka-attach siya doon sa isang container, which is gina-measure niya yung pressure ng liquid na nag-rise doon sa tube na yon, which is na nagpo-form ng free surface. Okay. So, to better understand these three, how to use it to measure the pressure of liquid, magbibigay ako ng example pero So hello everyone. In this chapter, we are going to give an examples on how to use the manometers in measuring the pressures. So this problem is, okay, I'll give the problem and papakita ko yung picture dyan or yung problem sa video. Okay. A manometer is used to measure the pressure of the gas in the tank. The fluid used has specific gravity of 0.85 and the manometer's column high on 55 centimeters as shown in the figure 3-20. If the local atmospheric pressures is 96 kilopascal. Determine the absolute pressure within the tank. So, dito sa problem na to, guys, remember or take note that mag-focus kayo sa ang nahanap natin is the absolute pressure. This is the absolute pressure, guys, ha? So, here are the structures and focus tayo sa absolute pressure. I already gave the formula here. Absolute pressure is equals atmospheric pressures plus PGH. It is also equals to atmospheric pressure plus rho GH. Same lang yan sila, guys. Okay. So, let us identify what is this? The given first. Our given, we have first here the absolute pressure. Absolute pressure is unknown. We have the absolute atmospheric pressures is 96 kilopascal. You have also the fluid or the fluid. We have the fluid or specific gravity 0.85. We have also the height 55 centimeter. And itong mga gagamitin natin para makuha natin yung sagot. So, first, paano ba? I-erase na lang natin to kasi hindi magkakasya dito. Take note lang, ha? Post nyo lang yung video, then, sulat nyo na lang. Next, doon na tayo sa pag-solve nito. Na-post nyo na yung video, di ba? Next is, using this formula, we have absolute pressures is equals to our atmospheric pressures is 96 kilopascal plus our what is this? Our fluid plus density of water. Density of water, ha? Don't forget the density of water. We have the 1,000 kilogram per meter cube times the acceleration due to gravity. Ano yun? 9.81 meter per second squared. Times yung height natin. We have 55 centimeter. Always remember that convert the centimeter into meter. In conversion, 1 meter is equals 100 centimeter. Cancel out. Okay, dito guys. So, as you can see, nag-cancel out tayo. So, next na gagawin natin, i-determine natin kung ano yung always remember guys ha, na ang unit pala na gagamitin natin dito is kilopascal. So, paano nga ba? Dito guys, we have here the meter over second squared. Tapos, meron tayong kilo dito. It is equals on Newton. And we have here the meter cube and where? Ito. Meter cube and 1 meter. It is equals to meter. What is this? Nakalagay doon? Meter squared. Ang Newton over squared meter is equals to Pascal. Then, ang ano man natin guys is Pascal, kilopascals. Since we are going to add this atmospheric pressure dito, which is kilopascal na siya, is i-convert natin siya into kilopascals. So, paano? Ita-times natin into 1 kilopascal is equals to 1,000 Newton per cubic per squared meter. Ayan. So, magiging kilopascal na siya. So, ang possible na sagot dyan or lalabas na sagot dyan is next. Ang lalabas na sagot dyan is yung final na sagot na po. Yan ito nga, pag-solve ha. 96 plus 0.85 times 1,000 times 9.81 times 55 times 55, then what is this? Divide 100 divide 1,000. Ganon. Ang lalabas is 100.50, what is that? 58 kilo Pascal. So, yan ang ating absolute pressure. Goods? Okay. So, here we are going to give the second, second example of this problem. So, the problem is in 2.2-4, measurement pressure, an open U-tube manometer similar to figure 2.2-4 is being used to measure the absolute pressure A and vessel containing air. The manometer is water having a density of 100 kilograms per cubic meter. Assume that the density of B is 1.30 kilogram cubic meter and that the distance Z is very small. The reading R is 0.415 meter. Calculate the PE or A pressure and N PSIE and kilopascal. So, dalawa yung kukunin natin na sagot, the PSIE and kilopascals. So, as you can see here are the structures that given in the problems. So, binigay ko na yung mga given doon. Here are, the Z, sabi nga dyan doon, yung Z daw is very maliit. Maliit din. So, it is equals to 0. Our R is equals to 0.415 meter. And our B pressure is here, banda dito, yung B pressure natin, ditong number 5 na to, we have the value of 754 millimeter mercury. And we have also the fluid A. Ang ating fluid A is equals to water. Ito siya, water siya. It is equals to 1,000 kilogram, 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. We have also here the density of B. We have the 1.30 kilogram per cubic meters or 1.3 kilogram per cubic meters. So, I also provide here the formula. Our formula that we are going to use in this structure or in this problem is the, kasi di ba ang hinahanap natin is the air pressure, which is ito, ang hinahanap natin. By using this formula, we can easily gather or we can easily get the answers on this problem. So, our formula is pressure of A pressure is equals to B pressure plus gravity, specific gravity or our gravity, times R, times R, times the water or our fluid E, the water minus our fluid B, this one. So, ano na lang, paki-post na lang yung video and tingnan nyo na lang dahil i-rush ko na to para ma-solve na natin siya. Okay? So, okay. Paki-post na lang siya. I-erase na natin para magamit natin yung formula na to na binigay sa atin ng mga eksperto sa fluid mechanism. Okay. Rewrite ko lang yung formula natin ha, sa taas para mas madali natin makita. We have the pressure of A is equals to B pressure plus gravity plus I times R plus density of water minus density of B. Okay. Solve na natin siya. Madali lang siya, guys. Di ba nakuha na natin yung ating mga given? So, i-substitute na lang po natin siya. Okay. Our PB is equals to what? Our PB is equals to 740. Ano yun? 700. Saan na yun? 745. Ay, 54 pala. 754 millimeter mercury. Ay, wait lang. Okay, guys. As you can see, guys, that, what is this? Ano yung sasabihin ko? As you can see, that our unit here is, unit natin guys ha, huwag niyong kakalimutan, yung unit natin is kilopascal. So, dahil kilopascal, kailangan natin i-convert ang ating B pressure. So, paano natin siya i-convert? Convert natin siya into kilopascals using this. Kapag ang binigay nila yung mga expert in fluid mechanisms is ito 101.325 kilopascal over 760 m mercury. This is equals to 100.525 kilopascal. So, yan yung i-add natin. Kumbaga, itong kabuuan niya para maging kilopascal siya is, i-convert natin itong mercury into kilopascals. Kaya ito na yung nakuha na natin. So, magiging kilopascals plus, dito natin sulat ha, our gravity. What is the gravity or specific gravity? Our specific gravity or the gravity that we are used related to water is 9.81. What is this? 9.81 meter per second squared. Next, our R times. Our R is equals to 0.4015 What is this? 41.5. Saan na yun? Meter. Next. Our density of water. What is the density of water? 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. Minus density of B. What is the density of B? We have the 1 point, ano yun? Ang nakalagay dito, 1.3 kilogram per cubic meter. Okay, or 1.30. Andyan na yun. Same lang yun siya, guys. So, as you can see that we have here, where is it? As you can see, guys, that we have here the, where is this? Kilograms, and here, ay, hindi pala, mali. Kilogram at saka itong dito, meter per, di ba, yung sabi ko kanina, kapag meron tayong meter per second squared at saka kilograms, it is equals to Newton. And kapag meron naman tayong, meron tayo ditong meter, and blah. Dalawa, meter, ito naman siya is equals to, sorry guys, cubic meter. So, yan, over Newton per cubic meters is equals to Pascal. Pero, sabi ko nga, ang ating, parang ganun din sa ginawa natin kanina, ang ating unit here is kilopascals. So, para makuha natin niya, paulit-ulit na lang natin ito ginagawa. So, i-convert natin siya into kilopascals. Paano? In conversion of kilopascal, ito is ita-times natin siya. Ita-times natin to lahat-lahat. After nyo na makuha, ita-times nyo siya into 1 kilopascal. 1 kilopascal over 1,000 Newton per cubic meter. So, ayan na. Makukuha na natin yung kilopascals. So, ang sagot dito overall is, magiging sagot natin dito is, ano yun? A pressure is equals to 104.56 59 kilopascal. Gets? Pero, di ba, dalawa yung problem natin kasi ang kukunin natin is kilopascal at saka, ano yung isa? Ang ating PSIA. Okay. Para makuha natin yan, kailangan natin siya i-convert. So, puno na yung word natin na maliit, kaya i-erase na muna natin. Screenshot nyo or i-post nyo yan para mas makuha nyo. Okay? I-rewrite ko lang para mas madali nyo makuha. Okay, our A pressure is equals to 104.59 kilopascal. So, paano natin siya maku-convert into PSIA? Kukunin natin yan siya. PSIA. Paano nga ba? Conversion. Sa pag-convert, magiging, ita-times natin siya, ganito. 104.9 kilopascals times, magiging 14.7 PSAI over 101.525 kilopascal. Magiging ganyan. Always remember this formula, guys, ha? So, Once naging ganyan, siyempre, cancellation na. Yun yung matitira. So, ang magiging sagot na natin, PSI A is equals to 15.17 P, hindi pala ha. A pressure is equals to 15.17 PSI A. Gets? So, once again, I am Imad P. Sango, and maraming salamat po sa pakikinig at sana may mga natutunan kayo sa video na to.